everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that so many English learners struggle with. I understand English, but I can't speak it. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you are not alone. This is one of the most common problems in language learning. But the good news, it's not permanent. And today, I'll show you why this happens and exactly what you can do to fix it. Starting today. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why you can understand but not speak. So first, why does this happen? You've been learning English for months, maybe even years. You watch movies, you understand podcasts, you read books, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank or the words just don't come out. Here's why. You're learning passively, not actively. Understanding is a passive skill. You're receiving information. Speaking is active. You have to produce it on the spot. You're afraid of making mistakes. Fear of judgment or sounding wrong can block your confidence and your fluency. You haven't trained your speaking muscles. Just like with sports or music, if you don't practice speaking, it doesn't come naturally, even if you know the language. Part 2. What to do about it. Now, here's how to fix it. These 4 tips will turn your passive knowledge into active fluency. 1. Shadowing practice. Listen to native speakers and repeat out loud immediately after them. Try this with your favorite podcast or video. It trains your mouth and brain to speak naturally. 2. Speak daily, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your day, your thoughts, what you are doing. Example, I'm making coffee right now. It smells great. I love mornings. This builds fluency in real life situations. 3. Record yourself speaking. Pick a topic, speak for 1 minute and record it. Then listen back. You'll notice your mistakes and your progress. 4. Use simple sentences. First, you don't need complex grammar to sound fluent. Start simple. I like movies. I watched a movie yesterday. It was exciting and funny. Small steps, big growth. Part 3. Mindset shift. And one more important thing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes mean you're learning. Confidence comes from doing, not waiting until you're perfect. So don't wait to speak. Start speaking. Even a few sentences a day can change everything. Let's recap. You understand English because you practiced listening. You struggle to speak because you haven't practiced speaking. You can fix it with shadowing, daily speaking, recording, and confidence. Let me know in the comments what's the hardest part about speaking English for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more speaking tips, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding is step 1. Speaking is the next level. You've got this.